Good evening, everyone. My name is Bhuvneshwar. Today, my subject is about controller design, compiler design. My my topic is what is GA? What is Git? Git is a distributed version control system tool. GAT is not acronym and hence no expansion. But most of the people abbreviate it as a global information tracker. GAT means information tracker. GAT is developed by Linus Torvalds, Finnish software engineer, who also developed a Linux kernel. Most of the companies like Microsoft, Facebook, Yahoo, LinkedIn, Intel using GAT, using Git as a version control system tool. GAT is a distributed version control system. In GAT, version control system is what is meant by version control system? Version control, also known as a source control. It is the practice of tracking and managing charges to software code. Version control system are software tools that helps software teams managing changes to source over codes over time. GAT architecture, series diagram, working directory, starting area, local repo, repo, git add, git commit, git push, git pull, git checkout, git merge. Git consists of two types of repositories, local repository, remote repository. How to add version control to our project? Git install. This command you basically adds a PCS to our project. How to check whether Git is installed in our system or not? Just type the command git or git version. Git config. Git config. Let me introduce the new term of the config. Config means configuration. We won't using config commands frequently in our program journey, but having a good knowledge of this config is must. The life cycle of file in GAT, working directory, git init, installation, git add, starting area, git commit, a local repository, git push, GitHub. Life cycle of a file in Git. Every file in Git is one of the following status: untracked, staged, in repository, modified. Untracked means the files which are newly created in working directory and Git does not aware of these files and set to be untracked state. The files which are added to staging area is set to be staged state. These files are ready for commit. Any file which is a commit is set to be in repository commitment state. Modified. Any file which is already tracked by Git, but it is modified in working directory is set to be modified state. Stages in Git life cycle. Git life cycle stages means a working directory, staging area, or catching area, or indexed area. Git direction, indirectory, local repository. Working directory means consider a project residing in local system. The project may or may not be tracked by Git. In either case, the project directory is called your working directory. Working directory is the directory contained hidden .git folder. Staging area. The source code files, data files, configuration files, and other project artifacts contain the business logic of the application. These files are to be tracked by Git and thus needed to be added to the staging area. In other words, the staging area is a playground where you group, add, and organize the files to be commit and the Git for tracking the versions. It's important to bring it's important to make a quick note of the term called indexing here. Indexing is the process of adding files to the staging area. Okay? Git directory or local repository means we commit this group of files to commit this group of files along with a commit message explaining what is the commit about. Apart from commit message, this step also records the author and the time of commit. Now, a snapshot of the files that commit in the commit is regarded by the Git. This information related to the commit, names of files committed, data and time commit, other of commit messages is stored in the Git directory. Thus, Git directory is a database where metadata about the project files history will be tracked. Git init. Once we create a workspace, if we want version control, then we require a local repository. To create that local repository, we have to use git init command as git init initialize the empty git repository. Suppose a repository dot git is an empty repository. It is hidden directory. Now we can see this directory in our project dot git. By seeing dot git, we can see that git adding VCS to our project. But there is one more way to check out the git status does not work for us. It shows the current status of all files in each area, like which files are untracked, where are modified, where are stage expired. What if we delete the dot git folder? What if we execute git init once more after doing it once? Why dot start? Because the represent hidden files or folders. It still now we have nothing in this project. Like let's add some files to it. Now execute the git status command again. You can see our files were untracked by Git. What should we do so that Git can track us? Git commit. If we commit stages changes, we have to use Git committed. For every commit, unique commit ID will be generated. It is a 40 length hexadecimal string. Echo and the first seven characters also unique. Thus, by using we can identify commit. Git commit. Now let us try to understand the git commit. Seven changed files, two intersections plus mode, creating mode. Git internal mechanism. So basically, what's happening internally? What we execute git commit command. When we perform this operation, Git creates a blob, a file located in the subfolder got Git objects which stores the content of my life dot txt of a file txt. My name of the blob is related to the hash of its continent. Once in the continent is hashed, the first two characters are used to create a subfolder in Git objects, while the remaining characters are the hash constraint to the name of the blob. In summary, when adding a file to Git, the following steps occur. Git takes the content of the file and hashes it. Git internal mechanism means let us not briefly. I will explain the topic names. Git internal mechanism means this. Git internal mechanism to git log, git log, git log one line, git log n number of lines, git log pattern, another version of commit, git differ, which is difference, which is a directory, git file name, git diff, git rm, git checkout, git reset. Okay, additional Git topics. The concept of branching. Let's see how to branch. Okay? This is known as branching. This let's explain the branching. Both the branching topics are there. Forgotten topics. Git have commands. Git shows commands. Version control. That's it. Thanks. Thank you.